Oh, you trying to get tea? Look at these ones. Birds everywhere. Animals, 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 animals everywhere. He's my boy now. This motherfucker is. He damn. Try to teach them all fucking kinds of weird noises. These motherfuckers can speak to you. They said, too close, motherfucker. It's a phone. It ain't gonna kill you. We heard about you guys with that thing that you hold on to, and it goes, and then next minute, Alfred's not around anymore. Louise is dead. Hello. Why the hell are you tripping balls with your eyeballs and shit? Who's that one? Don't make me do all the sounds. You can make me into a fucking idiot on the internet. Do the sounds, motherfucker. There's a fantail over there. I'll find that fantail. Hear that noise over there? That's a native New Zealand bird, man. I find his ass. Yeah. Yeah. Fantail. Native New Zealand bird. Fantail, because the tail comes out like a fan, and it shows off to the female birds. Look at how my fan is. See? Look at my fanny. They'll follow you around, man. When your that same motherfucker's tails all fucked up. What happened to your ass? Oh, hey. We'll punch your head in one day. Find out who you are. Can't see you, look like a fucking kiwi fruit in the sky. You look like another one of the leaves. Look, don't get jealous. Remember you guys. Fucking rocking horse. Are you kidding me? We're gonna have to have a go. Now this has to be like at least 40. Shit, the mathematics. 40 what? That sounds like mom and dad's bed on time. What's going on in there? Mom's hurt. I'm like, eh. Mom's getting hurt. Eh. Yellow ass, you got red eyes. Holy shit. Only you and Dracula got red eyes. What the fuck going on? Don't leave me hanging, make all the noises. I don't want to be the only bird making all the funny noises. Why are you running away? They don't like the camera, they can feel the electricity. They're like, there's a ghost! There's a soul coming. And feel its electricity. Say something, motherfucker. No, they don't like the phone. They're like, the hell is that? They love me, but they just don't like the phone. Can't film these motherfuckers because you gotta film them with a phone and they'll see the phone and they go, nope, I wouldn't play with that. The other bird there, he don't go, she don't go fuck. She's like, what, motherfucker? I ain't say nothing. And they got him fly away like a chicken shit, motherfucker. But them motherfuckers don't care. Don't care about me, but he care about the phone. The phone's like, nope, get this fuck away from me. That's a lithium, man. They can turn my ass into a fucking chicken nugget. Who the hell is you? Say something. Say something, man. Say something. Blue ass shirt and yellow ass motherfucker. Yeah, you tripping, fool. They can feel the internet coming through from the phone, and they're like, what the fuck going on here? What is you doing? They go on mute. They're like, I ain't saying shit. We're on TV. I ain't gonna say shit. Nope, they don't want to know about this goddamn situation. What on earth is that fucking noise in here?